జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. She herself gave those weapons to Rama and Lakshmana. Now Rama Lakshmana has taken their dhanurbanas, their bow, arrows, swords, everything, and they kept all those weapons on them. And now how they are looking, Srimantau, such a wonderful looking Rama Lakshmana. After taking those weapons, they are looking very bright. Those two, Rama Lakshmana, now going to go along with Sitamma. After the Dhanurbanas, after the weapons have taken by Rama Lakshmana, how they are looking, Rupa Sampanna, they are very handsome. Such great handsome Rama Lakshmana now going to go to Dandakaranyam along with Sitamma. Rama Lakshmana, after they have taken this Dhanurbanas, all the weapons, how they are looking like a self-effulgent Deepyamanau Swatejasa. The light is coming out of both of them like anything. Such great Tejasvis Rama Lakshmana along with Sitamma now getting into Dandakaranyam. After taking permission from Sutikshna Maharshi, Sita Rama Lakshmana Swami, they three of them started from that ashramam. And on the way, Sitamma is having a conversation with Sri Ramachandra Swami. She is saying that, Rama, now you are observing Muni Dharmam. It is not easy for anyone to get this kind of opportunity to observe Muni Dharmam. Rama, you are so fortunate that you got this opportunity. And also, Rama, what it is in this entire creation, there are 3 bad habits usually will be there in the people. The first habit is Mithyavakyam, lying, not speaking truth. This is first bad habit. And second habit is worse than the first one is Paradarabhigamanam, wanting other girls, wanting other women. This is another bad, very bad habit. Rama, the third one is Vinavairancha Raudrata, without having any reason, hating some people and trying to do some kind of harm to those people. That is third bad habit. Oh Raghava, Mithyavakyam nate bhutam na bhavishyati Raghavaha. I know the first habit is not there. First bad habit is not there in you. You never have spoken lies. You always speak truth. You are not speaking lies now. You have never spoken lies any time in the past, and you are not going to lie any time in the future also. That I know. And the second bad habit, Rama, wanting other girls. This is, we cannot even imagine this kind of bad habit in you. Kutobhilashanam strinam tavanasti manushyendra. Oh, the great man, Rama, we cannot even imagine that you have this kind of bad habit. There is no second bad habit in you. Nacha bhute kadachana. It was not there in the past. Manasyapi tadharama. You are not doing that now, and even in your mind also, you never desire for other girls. Nachaitat vidyate kvachit. You never had this second bad habit. Oh Rama, you always had me in your mind. Svadaraniratah tvam. I am your wife, So your mind is occupied with my thoughts only, with me in your mind. Dharmishtaha, you are such a great righteous man. Satyasandhaha, you always speak truth. Piturnirdeshakarakaha, you follow your father's orders. Tvayi sarvam pratishtitam Rama, you are an embodiment of all such great qualities and attributes. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.